In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate layers in Canva to enhance your design projects effectively. This skill is particularly useful for those of you looking to streamline your design process and bring more precision to your creative work. To begin with, let's talk about your Canva project. First, open your Canva workspace where your project is located. If you haven't already signed in, make sure you do so. This ensures that all your work is saved automatically as you make changes. Once you're in, you'll find yourself at the dashboard where you can see all your existing projects. Choose the project you want to work on by clicking on it. This will open the project interface where all your design elements come to life. Now, once your project is open, the next step is to focus on any particular element within your design. Locate any element on your canvas that you wish to interact with. This could be text, shapes, images, or any other design asset you've added to your project. Simply click on one of these elements to select it. By doing this, you'll be able to see the toolbar at the top and on the side of the Canva interface, which provides you with numerous editing options. With your element selected, you'll now want to manage your layers. Look for an option labeled Layer. You should find this in the toolbar or in the right-click menu when your element is selected. Click on Layer and then find an option that says More Layers. It's crucial that you become familiar with this feature as it allows you to see how different elements are stacked within your project. This layering system is akin to having multiple sheets of paper laid on top of one another. You can move elements up or down within this stack to control which items appear closer to the foreground in your design. Managing layers effectively enables you to keep your designs organized and ensures that elements do not inadvertently cover each other unless desired. You can click and drag to move these layers up or down and even rearrange them to suit your design needs. Paying attention to just how your elements are layered can make a significant difference, especially in complex designs with numerous components. By mastering this, you gain greater control over the visual hierarchy and emphasis of your content. And just like that, you're done. Navigating and adjusting layers is a straightforward but powerful tool to have in your Canva toolkit. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to play around with your projects to see how different layers affect your overall design. This simple yet important feature will help you create more professional and polished designs. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this guide useful. Give it a try and let your creativity flow more seamlessly with Canva's layering system. Until next time, happy designing.